Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw or insert a circle shape on a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option and this drawing option, click on this down arrow and this is oval option, select here and draw your oval shape and see this oval shape now inserted and click right button and select properties. Here you can change oval shape, border thickness and this is border style, this border color. Also you can change here fill color and this is opacity. I'll make it solid line and see this. And you can increase decrease the oval shape, height and width. So this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.